Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is video 3 of our interview series, and in this video we are gonna discuss about another important interview question which will be very helpful for the freshers also, and a very basic interview question. It is not gonna take that much time, as well as it is very easy to understand. So guys, let's not waste our time, let's dive into our topic. Before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel and on the bell notification, and share this video with your friends. And previously I have asked an interview question to you all, and I mean a theoretical interview question, but I did not get many answers from many of them. So if you have not watched that video, do watch that previous video and answer that interview question. Now let's not waste our time, let's dive into our Google Colab and discuss more about this. Don't worry guys, this particular Google Colab link, whatever coding I am doing, whatever the interview questions I will be teaching, this particular Google Colab link is here, and this link I will be pasting in this video description. Check out that, and also I will be pasting the previous video link description also in the video description. Check out that and do like that video also. So guys, now let's start with the question 3. Write a Python program to swap variable without using the third variable. So what we used to do, we used to use a temporary variable, right? A is equals to temp is equals to B, and like this we used to use a temporary variable and we used to swap, right? So the question here, it says that you can do the coding to swap, but you should not use the third variable. You have to use the variables which are assigned to you. Only with that you have to do swapping. So how are you going to do that? Let me write the code for you all. If you already know the code, do write the code. And now let's write the code for you all. Pause this video, do write the code, and if you get the output perfectly, just post that code in this video comment. So now let's start with this. Let me take a variable a is equals to int enter number 1, b is equals to input number 2. So we have done with our input. So this is to get the input. Okay, so now we will just print before swapping a is equals to, so we have taken comma a, and again I have given comma here, colon, b is equals to comma b. So we have taken this. So now before swapping is done, so what does this particular third line will do before swapping? So whatever input we have given here and here, that will be shown here. So it will show the numbers which we have entered before swapping. So now the main logic for this particular question comes here. So what we'll do, we will take a is equals to a plus b, and b is equals to a minus b, c is equals to a minus b. So can anyone guess why did we write this particular logic only once, plus and again minus minus? So can anyone guess this? If you guess the logic, you can comment that below. I'll read the comment and I'll try to reply you all. So now let us see. Let me just give you an example for this. For example, now a is equals to a plus b. That is nothing but, let us take 2 comma 3. So then 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So now our a is equals to 5. So when we add both 2 and 3, let me just take here example 2 and 3, so you should not get confused. So now a is equals to 5, so 2 plus 3 is 5, done. So now b is equals to a minus b. So now what happens in Python, so whatever coding we'll do, right, that will be executed line by line. So now our a is done. So now what in b it happens, now a minus b. Here what it happens, now in b it will not, minus 2 minus 3 will not be working out, because a is equals to a plus b we have given. Now our a variable is overwritten, so our a variable now contains 5. So 5 minus b, what is b? 3. 5 minus 3, so that is equals to 2. So now b is equals to 2. Now again what we have done here, now again a is equals to a minus b, again we have taken. So now what it happens, our b variable is also overwritten. Now it happens to be like 5 minus 2, that is equals to 3. So you are getting this particular logic. So now what it happens, after swapping what you will get, you will get 2 comma 3 is done now, so you will get 3 comma 2. Let us check that also. Now print after swapping a is equals to a, b is equals to b. So now let's execute this code. So as I have shown you your example clearly, let us execute this only first. A will be 2, b will be 3. So you can see here, before swapping a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3, and after swapping a is equals to 5, b is equals to, oh sorry, here it should again come a only, I have taken c, it's my bad. 2, 3. So now you can see here, before swapping a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3, again after swapping a is equals to 3, b is equals to 2. So hence our condition is proved. So guys, that's all for this coding question. While writing the code itself, I have explained you all the logic clearly. So now let me give you one interview theoretical question. So this question will be very easy and even interesting also. I just want to know the difference between vectors and loops. What is the main use of using vectors and loops? Why not loops only? So guys, that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and comment the theoretical answer below. Thank you all. Bye bye. See you in your next video.